And it resulted to be that in the last minute, MP Brownbill sent via the chat that he never used to use before. He sent via the chat that he had conversations with his family members and with those that supported him, that basically he is not going to take on Mr. Cecil Nicholas in the cabinet. Mm-hmm. And we find that to be very unfortunate. One, it's a very important information for you to just send it on the chat. That's one. Mm-hmm. You could have called a meeting and informed us about that. The other thing is that MP Brown will keep giving excuses and pushing back dates, whilst he already had in mind what it is he was going to do, mm-hmm. Which we consider not to be transparent and honest. We have shown from our end to provide MP Brownbill with the necessary backups and open and transparency in order for us to move the country and the party in the direction that the population is seeking to see in our how we are, our plan of approach. Because one thing we know is that actions speak louder than words. Mm-hmm. So when you line up all of these different actions from the MP Brownbill, it became clear to us that MP Brownbill is going a different direction than what we thought, in the beginning was agreed upon. Yeah. To that extent, we feel that basically the relationship is no longer, we cannot hold on no longer to MP Brownbill as a parliamentary representing USP, because it cannot be that from what we are hearing is that you are putting in your cabinet an individual that is from the other party. Yeah. So whose interests are you basically you're going to champion? Mm-hmm. You're not championing our interests. You are part of the party. What is the real deal, or what is the truthful intention that you have? Because if you're voting contrary to the party's desire and what the party stands for, and what the people expect us to be voting on floor of parliament, and you go in a different direction, then it's not giving a good build, you're not representing the party as a whole. Yeah. So it don't make no sense to prolong such relationship, and we wish the MP much luck in the further decision that he has made